Welcome to our Penalty Mentor Explorer tool introduction. For our deal makers and our power brokers, you also get access to our Penalty Mentor Explorer. And you'll notice that this is very similar to our penalty calculator, but because we're providing you additional training sessions and support, we allow you to do something that you cannot do in this calculator. So I'm going to go and hit new, and let's go with our Scotia example, Scotiabank, and we're going to go 500,000. We're going to say we have our interest rate of 6%. In this case here, we have to put in what the discount is, 0.34, but if we don't have it, we can go and use the refinance comparison tool. Here it is 60 months. Our maturity date, we said June 9th, 2028. We're going to go and put in our monthly payment. We're going to use given payment, $3,200, and they just made a payment today, so it's going to be the 9th of August, and we go and hit calculate. Now, when you look at it, it might seem like it's exactly the same as the penalty calculator. But one of the great things, one of the great powers that we're giving you with this calculator is the ability to override these posted rates here. So you have it, that client, you're mapping things out. You know that their penalty is $7,500. But what if Scotia throws a curveball and lowers their 3-year posted? What if they go and drop it to 5.55%? You want to be equipped with the answer right away to let your client know and to see whether the deal still makes sense. Now we see that the interest rate differential is just over $10,000. Maybe this causes the deal to fall apart, right? And have it where, you're proactively managing what's going on. Now, if this doesn't drop, at least you know what it's going to cost the client in additional funds if the posted rate does drop. And when you look at these tools, right? If you are able to do one extra deal, or even if you're just able to have better control of your existing deals, this pays for itself. It tells you when to rush, right? Something's happening in a few months, it's going to spike. It also tells you when to wait. And we can I'll run through a quick, we ran through the scenario with the penalty calculator with First National. It paid to wait because we'd be compared to a lower rate. And anytime we can save our clients money, we add value, we manage expectations, we grow our business. And with Prepayment Penalty Mentor, that's what we want to go and do when it comes to penalties. Help you to be a penalty expert and manage your clients' expectations with expert tools, training, and support. Prepayment Penalty Mentor. Mortgage penalties simplified.